In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add domain in Vercel. If you already have a Vercel project and you own a domain, you are just a few steps away from connecting the two. We will start inside the Vercel dashboard. Open the project you want to connect a domain to, because domain setup in Vercel happens at the project level. From there, go to the project settings, then open the domains section. This is where you manage the addresses that will point to your deployment. Next, choose Add Existing Domain. This is the option you use when you've purchased a domain elsewhere and want to link it to this project. In the field that appears, type your domain. You can enter an apex domain like example.com, a subdomain like www.example.com, or even a wildcard such as .example.com if you plan to serve many subdomains from the same project. Keep in mind, you must own the domain you enter. Click Add, and Vercel will attach the domain to your project, so it's ready to be verified. Now it's time to update DNS at your domain registrar. Vercel clearly shows which records to create and the exact values to use. For an Apex domain, Vercel typically expects a record pointing to Vercel's addresses. For a subdomain, it typically expects a CNAME record that points to the target Vercel provides. If you are using a wildcard, you will usually create a wildcard CNAME. Remove any conflicting records, like old A or C name entries, for the same host to avoid mismatches. If your registrar supports it, a short TTL can help changes propagate faster. And you can raise it later once everything is stable. After saving your DNS changes, give them time to propagate. This can be quick, but depending on your DNS provider, it may take a bit longer. Return to the domains page in your Vercel project to monitor status. Vercel automatically checks your DNS settings and will indicate whether everything is configured correctly, along with the verification method it used. Once verification succeeds, Vercel issues SSL certificates automatically, so your site will load over HTTPS without any extra work from you. That's it. Thanks for watching.